welcome back to another video. So if you are using Squarespace and want to sell digital products in 2026, PDFs, ebooks, templates, music, videos, files, Squarespace has this built-in no plugins needed. So in Squarespace, digital products are added inside a store page just like physical products, but with file delivery handled automatically. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to add a digital product in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, quickly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open the panel or the pages panel. Okay, so log into Squarespace, open your website, go to pages. Okay, so pages, you will find it either in home or website. So websites, pages, this is where store pages live. So open your store page, for example this one. You will see the list of existing products. Okay, so all products, physical and digital, live here. So add a new product, so click plus. Okay, like this. Okay, so we can add digital, physical. Okay, so Squarespace opens the digital products editor. This choice removes shipping options automatically. So upload your digital file. So in this product editor, upload your digital file, supported example PDFs, zip, mp3, mp4. So customers receive a secure download link after payment. Okay, add product details, fill in product name, description, price, products image, and that's it, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.